Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon powder. First, select high-quality, thick-cut bacon, as this provides the best flavor and texture for your powder. Cook the bacon until it is exceptionally crispy, ensuring all moisture is completely removed. This thorough cooking is essential for achieving a dry, fine powder that will store well and integrate smoothly into your dishes. Don't rush this step. Crispiness is key. To prepare your bacon, lay slices on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius until deeply browned and very crispy. This method allows fat to drip away, promoting even cooking. Once cooked, immediately transfer the bacon to a plate lined with several layers of paper towels. Pat it thoroughly to absorb all excess grease. Let it cool completely to room temperature before moving on. Once your bacon is fully cooled and brittle, break it into smaller pieces. Transfer these pieces to a food processor. Pulse and process the bacon until it transforms into a very fine powder. You might need to scrape down the sides occasionally to ensure everything is evenly ground. For the best texture, sift the resulting powder through a fine mesh sieve to remove any larger bits, ensuring a consistent, smooth product. Proper storage is vital for your bacon powder's longevity. Keep it in an airtight container, away from heat and light, to maintain its freshness and flavor for several months. This versatile powder can elevate many dishes. Sprinkle it on scrambled eggs, popcorn, roasted vegetables, or stir it into soups and sauces for a savory boost. It's a fantastic way to add a concentrated bacon flavor without the extra grease. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.